I'm making chicken noodle hot dish. It's basically tuna noodle casserole, but instead of tuna, I'm using chicken. To start, I'm slicing up some leeks and then swish the leeks around, breaking the rings up with my fingers so that the sand and dirt can fall to the bottom. Okay, I'll get my veggies going. So in my brazier here, I'll melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'll get in my carrots and celery and then lift out the leeks. I don't want to strain them and pour the dirty water back over them. Shake off any excess moisture and then add them to the pan. A couple of pinches of salt will help the veggies soften, and I'll cook these down. I love this. These are softened. I'll toss in a couple of cloves of chopped garlic. I'm gonna make my sauce directly in the brazier by building a roux with a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. That's gonna thicken up my chicken stock and get that classic condensed soup texture. I'll cook the flour for about a minute just to get rid of the floury flavor. Typically with a hot dish, you're opening up a can, but it tastes really good when you make it from scratch. A bit of fresh thyme contributes some cozy herbiness. I'll grate in some nutmeg. All right, now for my liquids for the soup, I'll first add the white wine because you want all that alcohol to cook off, and it'll leave behind just a bright acidic flavor that balances out all of these other cozy flavors. I'll gradually add 3 cups of low sodium chicken stock and allow the roux to thicken it. And now you gotta have cream in condensed cream soup, so 1 cup of heavy cream will give this the richness that it deserves. Oh, it's all coming together. This is gonna be so good. I'll season with kosher salt and black pepper. I like a lot of black pepper. A tiny bit of lemon zest and lemon juice will perk this up. I always add this right to the end of my chicken soup. And some parsley and dill for freshness and grassiness. Oh yeah, look at that deliciousness. Next, the most popular part of a chicken noodle casserole, the noodles. I'm using egg noodles, and I've cooked these until they're shy of al dente because they will continue to soften in the oven. Chicken soup, mostly noodles. I'm here for this. And for the chicken, I'm just using a chopped rotisserie chicken. Rotisserie chicken has so much flavor in it already. That is a full casserole. Some peas. They're frozen, but they'll thaw once they hit this hot mixture. I'll fold this all together. Okay, at this point, it's really important to check for seasoning and also taste test. It's looking too good. I have to make sure that there's enough salt in it. Possibly one of the most comforting bites in the universe. But it's just gonna get better now because all good hot dishes have a crunchy topping. I'm gonna get crackers and drizzle them with butter, which will help them get brown and crisp in the oven. Ta-da! I'll spread these evenly over the top. These are the best crackers dunked into chicken soup. That's why I'm going with the buttery crackers. So good. I'll bake this now at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes until the top is golden and the edges are bubbly. I feel like an impatient kid waiting for this. It's hot dish o'clock. Oh yeah. That looks so good. Those buttery crackers smell heavenly. I'll finish with fresh parsley and dill. It has it all.